initial reaction, to no one's surprise, is disappointment. You look forward to that every year, and that's your goal. Is to host a PGA Tour event and put on a great community spectacle that everybody gets their hands around. But in the same vein, that's a situation we couldn't control. And I got up in front of our team and said, okay, we've had our goals changed, but now it's imperative amongst all of us to find that new goal that motivates us, and as I told them, I said, in every challenge there's an opportunity, and we need to take advantage of this, knowing that we have 13 months to the next John Deere Classic, and really up our game on the golf course and show a great product in 2021. With Mr. Wybering's design of the golf course, we have a lot of steep slopes around our greens, a lot of large fall-off areas, and that 2700 didn't even blink. And I think John Deere has taken the great things that they've done, building their equipment up till now, and taken customer input and really brought it full circle with 2700. Moving up along from a great platform with 2500 and adding the tech control and a few more design modifications that have increased its value, especially to our operation. Everybody knows budgets aren't getting smaller, so a GPS sprayer gives us that ability to give us that precision to put down what we need and where we need it, with 30 acres of bent grass fairways and another 5 acres of tees and greens. Every little saved square foot adds up. For us, really, it translates into being able to provide more staffing opportunities, more promotional opportunities.